go.
There it goes.
Even more wide, Dave. I need fisheye. I want to capture all of it.
So there he goes to get another unit.
That puts it all in perspective, huh? When that's sitting up in the air like that.
Yeah.
So it's 10 units in total, Dave?
44,000 pounds. Interesting. Dave, how are they going to swing it around? Because that's the bridge. They've got to bring the bridge to us.
Yeah, that's what they got that back line.
Oh. Wow. It is, isn't it?
So this is this way?
Yeah. That's the bridge right there.
Okay,
That'll
so
come
it'll be-
right here. Yeah.
Okay.
They're coming right at us.
Oh, man, this is so awesome. Yeah. So do they plan to have all 10 pieces put together today?
Supposedly,
That's
yes.
incredible.
It's 44,000 pounds right in front of us.
So cool. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It's all, yeah, all the pipes and everything are just
Yeah.
built in. Oh man, that's amazing. Wow.
No, it's not. They just needed to see what the heat was.
Okay.
It's an expansion joint. Yeah, it's a steel plate.
Yeah.
And it gets welded.